So just a quick recap here. I'm going to go through all of the watercolor techniques that we learned about today. This one was the wet paint on a dry piece of paper. I'm going to set that one there so you guys can see it. This one was wet paint on wet paper. You can see the difference between the two. Totally different effect. This one was the dry brush technique. Here's our flat wash. Here's our graded wash, so it goes from a darker value to a lighter value. Then we used, this one is resist. We used wax crayons for this one. This one we used some rubbing alcohol, and you can see that it kind of left those cool designs. This one was with different types of salt on watercolors. This one was the toothbrush splatter on a wet piece of paper and a dry piece of paper, and you can really see the difference of what happens when you have wet paper and dry paper. This one was with a resist, the drawing gum resist. These two were painted beforehand, and then we applied we used the Clorox bleach pen to make some cool patterns. This one we added tea to, and we got kind of a yellowy color. And this one was a flat wash that we let dry, and then we painted over it. We got a little bird. And then this one was the little piece of newspaper with the plastic, which I don't think really worked as well as I would have liked it to, but anyways, there you go. So there are 15 different ways that you could make that you can use watercolors, and thank you very much for watching.